Think you need a big backyard to grow your own food or build a garden? Think again. Today, I'm showing you how to create a DIY garden in a small space, perfect for balconies, rooftops, windowsills, or even a narrow corridor. We'll cover everything: containers, layout, soil, sunlight, watering system, and some clever space-saving hacks. Stick around till the end, and I'll also show you how I made this vertical garden with just Rs 800 or under 10. Let's get growing. First, check how much space you actually have. Measure it. Observe sunlight. How many hours of direct light? Most veggies need 6 to 8 hours. Watch for wind exposure, especially on rooftops. Identify available surfaces: railing, walls, shelves, floor space. Sunlight equals life. Use what you have: wall, railing, floor, windows. Tip: take pictures at different times of the day. Helps with planning layout later. I'm about to put you on to some garden ideas that will transform your space. First, decide. Herbs, leafy greens, flowers, or vegetables. Use vertical space: walls, hanging pots, stackable crates. Balcony idea: big pots on the bottom, hanging planters on the railing, creepers on top hooks. DIY layout ideas: 3-tier shelf for 9 pots, wooden pallet for a vertical herb wall. Hanging baskets from curtain rods are stylish and practical. Tip: use chalk or masking tape to map the layout before placing items. Which idea are you trying first? Or did I just inspire a garden makeover? Be honest. Now we prepare the heart of your plant, the soil. You can't grow healthy plants in unhealthy soil. Here's a simple organic mix: 40% garden soil, 30% organic compost, cow dung, kitchen waste compost or vermicompost, 20% cocoa peat, retains moisture and keeps it light, 10% neem cake powder or crushed eggshells, natural pest control and calcium boost. Mix this thoroughly and let it rest for a day before planting. Pro tip: add a handful of wood ash or banana peel powder for extra potassium. It boosts flowering and fruiting. Planting and spacing. Start small with 3 to 4 plants. Best beginner plants include tomato, mint, spinach, chili, and coriander. You can sow seeds or transplant saplings. Ensure there's at least 6 to 8 inches between each plant. Tip: label your pots with plant names and sowing dates. Step 6. Watering and maintenance. Let's dive into keeping your plants happy and healthy. Water early in the morning or late in the evening to prevent evaporation and sunburn. Avoid wetting the leaves to prevent fungus. Trust me, your plants will thank you. Use a simple DIY drip system. Grab a 1-liter bottle, poke a hole in the cap, fill it with water, and you're done. For herbs, a gentle mist spray works wonders. Keeps them fresh and thriving. Rotate your pots weekly to ensure even growth and sunlight exposure. Bonus tip: add mulch like dry leaves or straw to keep the soil moist longer. It's like a spa day for your plants. What if you have only wall space? Here's a vertical garden idea on a budget. You'll need 1 wooden pallet, free or Rs 200 from junkyard, plastic bottles or pots, zip ties or screws, paint for aesthetics, optional. Steps: screw pots onto pallet, fill with soil, add herbs or leafy greens, mount vertically near sunlight. Tip: drill holes in each bottle's bottom for drainage. Create your green oasis for just Rs 800 or $10. So I'm supposed to have a sprawling garden and a green thumb? Yeah, that's not happening. But here's how I create my own green space in 3 steps. Step 1. Start with any small corner and a few pots. We are growing, not landscaping a park. Step 2. Choose plants that thrive indoors. Perfect time to appreciate the little things. Final step: nurture them like you actually care about your space. Boom! Instant green oasis, no yard required. Y'all see this? Use code GROW20 for a nice discount, or keep dreaming, your choice.